Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Happy New Year to you all. Let the 2022 will be a prosperous and happy New Year for all of us. Today we're talking about driving license, how to get your driving license and how to get it renewed. So number one, let's say you reached 18, so you are eligible for driving license. So once you get in 18, you have to apply online for a driving license. They give you a temporary driving license for 1 month. Then before the 1 month is over, you can apply for a permanent driving license. So once the permanent, you get the slot and you get the permanent license booking done for the slot, you have to go for a track test drive. They will check your driving skills and there will be a test drive done by you. Once you pass the test, you get a driving license for 15 years. After that, every time you renew after 15 years, it will be only 10 years. But another very important thing which I want to tell is, once you achieve age of 50, they will only give you license for next 5 years only renewal. And important thing is, there will be a medical officer in an RTA where he will check your eyesight and he will give you a fit certificate that you can drive on road. These are all the process for people who wants to apply for driving license. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching my video. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.